When we are touch, it coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. When we are touch, it coming like snow. When we are, it coming like ice. When we are, me a ear jingle bells. So with that coming like, when we are, it coming like. Welcome to Donmas Day 3. As you can see by the title, this is my birthday vlog. At the current moment, the mood is on the floor. It's at 0. The energy of the day. Why did I buy one frock? Right? I'm gonna insert the picture right here. So because I think I understand why I say frock. Also, I'm having my retainer. Wait. Me I go through it right now. Why am I buy one frock? You know the smallest size of them have, and it look like sheet, like somebody drape one sheet over me. Why am I broke my permanent retainer last night? I straight over put my mega right now. But me I got my shipping company first because my last 2 packages them when my ship go they reach, I'm just get it out of the way. I collect that and go straight over put my try to fix the retainer. What? I never else my body now. And then I leave out one wash, so that's why I make it up and put one at over because you know me I try to look somewhat put together same way. And my body pain up. I have one work, I go one work event last night and I come home like I reach home to 11. When I reach home to 11, I filmed the last video I wanna see. After I done filmed the video, I stayed up and edited everything. I done that 4:30 in the morning and couldn't fall asleep. So I fell asleep at minutes to 7 and I woke up back at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna really sleep. So if I look tired, if I look drab, it's you guys' fault. But yeah, my birthday is tomorrow. I am a year older tomorrow. And yeah. we're gonna boogie. I'm going to go because I'm a La Roche stuff. They're in the package too, so may I go come get a move on before the road start getting mad. So I reach a point where I literally not care no more. Actually this is very annoying because I put on my 4-way. But tell me why I reach a point more and they're not working. They're doing renovations. I should have called, but at the same time, I didn't mean to. Like, I just did one. It's just like a quick little 5-minute fix. It's so long. I just did one them to fix it. So I'm gonna come back next week. Next week is when I had my initial appointment, but it broke last night. I had a check-up appointment next week. And it broke last night. And I spent the whole of yesterday I stress out myself, right? I don't feel like say I'm for stress. So I get on the roadside. And I just calm see, you see, because all I can do is wear my retainer until I get it fixed. And not that I didn't wear it before, but it is what it is. What I say me look on? What I say me take up my phone for? What I take up my phone for? I go. Take up my phone for something, you know, and then I see one notification. Someone told me that I should always remember Sam. Stop, assess, and manage. Listen, I didn't even gonna understand how I stressed out myself yesterday. Like I was continuously on the verge of tears yesterday. Nah, I'm good. You can't fix it, So I come go home. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. I'm going to go home. Yeah. Made it back home. I've been home for a little minute now. Stopped and I got KFC. I can only eat on one side though. I can only eat over here because the retainer broke on these two teeth, so, and it's kind of cutting me on my tongue, so whenever I'm not eat, I just put on back the tray. So I am actually going to the spa. I just booked. Bomba, wait, 9 o'clock in the morning. That means I have to wait up for 7 o'clock. Yeah, I can't go to my bed from 9 o'clock tonight because I'm tired. Like my whole body ache. Like me that exercise yesterday or something, but yeah, that's a change of plan. I just think more like updating them. And I think I'm gonna talk to them for the rest of today just because I'm look away. I go wash my leave out and relax. Like take a break. Like yeah, I just so I get malaria stuff, you know. Me talk to me, guys. Honestly, actually, I'm tired. I wash my leave out. My head look a little bit crazy, but look what I got. I got my 3-step acne kit, the Larash Pussy one. The face is gonna get back in order. Thank Jesus. So I have a medicated gel cleanser, the clarifying solution toner, and the Effaclar duo. Get ready to see perfect skin re-enter the chat. I'm feeling much better if you can't tell. Much better. It's your fucking birthday. Guys, it's 3:04 a.m. It's my birthday. I've been momentarily waking up and itching my eyes like really bad in my sleep, and I was like, I don't know, I was really tired, so I never think nothing of it. And I just woke up to use the bathroom and I look in the mirror and I said, my eye feel fat. And today, really? I'm supposed to be up at 7 o'clock. I forgot take a Benadryl, and if I take a Benadryl now, I go feel drunk the whole day. Really? It's my birthday. I can cry if I want to, cry if I want to, cry if I want to. You would cry too if it happened to you. But I'm not bad. So I took Benadryl last night. Did not work. Mommy was about to make some busy tea for me, but made a late if I stop for get it made. But this is my first gift of the day, beautifully crafted by mommy herself to a beautiful girl, one ShamDon Shamika, from your loving mother, one Lucia. So we're gonna see what it is. Oh, and you're kinda chilly. It's kinda chilly. Also, I'm wondering if I should do like a gift, like me opening my gifts this year, just because I'm getting more than the norm. I got my youth. I'm saying I look for me, you know, 'cause I don't even know what kind of just don't look in there right now. Anyways, it's time to break out the dancing shoes. Oh, that's so cute. It's time to break out the dancing shoes. Time really flies. I just had you yesterday, semicolon December. I'm really happy to celebrate with you another birthday. Wishing you all the best and God's continuous blessings. Today, December 7, 2024. Happiest birthday, my sweet daughter. Have yourself a happy spa day and celebrate all the wonderful things about you, baby. Just cause, and celebrate all the wonderful things about you, birthday girl. Wishing you the happiest birthday. Bombard's full of glitter. Oh, and of course, I got my swan money in here. So that's gift number 1. I've been really looking forward to this. So I'm getting a hot stone massage from Haven Beauty House. Big up them for squeezing me in at the very last moment, because I hadn't booked the appointment until yesterday evening, and they told me that I could come in at 9 this morning. So I am here. I am here. I don't know. After this, I'm gonna go back home, and then I have the lunch reservation for 2 o'clock. I don't know if I'm going to do my makeup or anything like that yet, but we'll see. So I'm gonna take you guys upstairs with me. I don't even know. I don't even know how I look right now. Like, the glasses I hide my face, but my eyes, but I don't know how I look otherwise, because I'm kind of sure. And I'm wearing some new pants that I bought from American Eagle. They're so cute. But me just say, oh yes, me get one next gift, but I will show you that when, if I do the whole haul, like gift haul or whatever. So yeah, let's go to the spa and get our hot stone massage and release our inhibitions, feeling the rain on our skin.
Ladies, booty bounce. 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 Like this, booty bounce. Like this, bounce. Like this, booty bounce.
Guys, everything moving so fast, I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but I just got a delivery. I don't know exactly who it's from, but I think I know. This is happy birthday, Shami. This is cute cake, and I can tell that it's a cheesecake type of cake. So cute. I was not expecting to get any sort of dessert or anything like that. I just got a call for another delivery, but I'm not sure when. I'm gonna get that one day, but as in not the time, but I'm gonna fix me. Yo, what I'm telling you, say that massage was something serious. The only thing I wish I never have been weave, so Cathy could have get for go down in my head properly, because guys, that massage, it was so good. But I'm gonna catch up on, like, I'm gonna look on my phone really from morning, so I'm gonna look on that and see what I go on. The eye could have fat like more nice. I'm sure. I'm gonna do my makeup now for go my little birthday brunch, lunch, whatever shindig. I don't know, I'm gonna get to eat, because I'm really gonna stay away from the shrimp for real. Yeah, I come back to know when when you love me as I come, when you love me in our stages, me, hey, if one of you ever laugh in the comments, me I wanna have it out. Aww. So we're here. I really wanted to sit on the outside and then saying I set up for lunch, which made no sense. But alright. So we're inside. Yeah, I'm just like I feel really drowsy, you know. The energy just like kicking in. So whenever I ever get for showing the outfit. But I'm gonna try to take some pictures after we order and stuff. Oh my god, this crispy chicken salad something. It's really it's nice. They do noodles. They fried. prepare the noodles and put it in there so get a nice little texture.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Chili shrimp roll.
Thank you.
Enjoy your lunch.
Yeah. I know I said I wasn't going to, but I did anyways. Beat me. Me don't have the allergic reaction, you know. Me don't have it. Me don't have it.
Put day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
Thing that mommy got, that is so good. I'm never gonna eat none of it, you know. Yeah. And of course, this is what I came for. Listen. From months ago, needed no say for my birthday. I was coming here to have this because I'm gonna do a little sushi date in a while. So I'm just allergic. How kind of style like I'm still gonna get it, you know? I'm still gonna make over home, but you know. When I go home, I go open my present. Oh, I'm showing you when I make. No, when I reach home. I'm reaching.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear queen. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Ah, look what I got with my fat eye there. Let's make a wish.
I wish for you to see many, many more. Happy birthday.
Let's taste it and see what it's giving.
They've dropped this on there.
Baby, coconut ice cream is good. That's good. It's good. I think that's about it for the birthday outside activities. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna open my presents and we're gonna just chill for the rest of the day. It's currently 3:36 and I feel very drowsy. I feel like the Benadryl is just kicking in terms of drowsiness. I really want to sleep. So we're gonna skedaddle. I'm gonna get a drink to go and we're gonna go. So that was the birthday of 2024. A very trying one, but you know, we persevered and we made it. Alright guys, so it's time to open my gifts. I'm not gonna lie, I think it was a very bittersweet day in the sense that I genuinely feel the love. You know, I feel celebrated. So I'm going to open my gifts. Before we get into what I have here, one of my gifts did not make it to Jamaica on time, but this is what my sister got me. Like, I've been saying I need a big girl tote for so long, and she came through and she got me that big girl tote. So excited, so excited. So I'm officially a big woman, guys. Like, I know I'm not telling them my age, but I think my age is pretty easy to figure out. But I'm definitely a big woman now. All along I was making jokes like, oh, I'm a teenager, same way, I'm a teenager, same way. But no, I'm actually an actual big woman. Like, I'm an actual adult. Like, I've been doing adult stuff and I've been had adult responsibilities, but I just think say me I look up in the same way, but I'm not. And today confirmed that I'm not a little girl. So featuring me and Rosie, we're gonna open our gifts. So the first one is from one of my IG friends. I won't say her name because she asked me not to. And we're going to see what we got. Okay. So I have an item from Katrina's box. Katrina, you know what would me a box? Murder she wrote. My goodness. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, guys. Not the iced out tennis neck. Oh my. Guys, oh my gosh, this is so nice. She ate. She did her big one. This is so cute. And this is so me, like it's so dainty and girly at the same time. Oh my gosh. I wish I could call her name, but I wish I could call her name so bad, but she doesn't want me to. So I'll respect her wishes. But thank you, girl. Thank you so much. Aww. So these two gifts are from my boy, my little spoogie, my little boyfriend. You know? Nothing little about it. Let me not say that. They're from my boyfriend. So weird to say that. But oh, this is from Amazon. What is this? What is this? Guys, pause. All right, we had a quick intermission, but we're back. So I feel like I know what this is just because I love chat and talk on himself all the time. Yeah. It's a back massager because I get really bad back aches, so thoughtful. Aww. So that's gift number one. That's official gift number one. And now we have the box. I think I know what this is. I'm told it's not what I think it is. So we're going to see what it is. Like my band back a cow. I knew it was a Tory in the box. I think I know what it is, guys. I know what it is. Period. Period. Oh my gosh! This is so cute. So cute. Aww. I should have opened this before I go away. Period. That's what I should have done.
Hey. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Shami.
Shami.
Mwah.
No, it's good.
Happy birthday, Shami. Mwah.
That's it, that's all. Of course, mommy got me the spa thingamajig this morning. So that's it, that's all. Bye. By the way, this is how the dress came out when mommy altered it for me. Yeah, she taking the sides, so you know it would be a little bit more flattering, and then the neck was still a little big, so I just pin it up with one. You can see? Pin it up with one pin, because who did I say that? Nobody never like I say that. One would know if I never tell you no. So that's the birthday. That's the 2024 birthday. Despite all trials and tribulations, so I'm gonna, yeah. I've been listening to this. I've been listening to this song for yesterday. That mommy played it for me. And I cry, cause
Shout out to my baby. Happy birthday.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, the day after my birthday. I'm about to leave to go to the hospital because, as you can see, my face is worse. I'm going to Robin, because you know Robin is my family doctor. Not in the mood to vlog at all, but I just thought I'd update you guys what's going on. So yeah, one Robin never told, you know. What is it? I look for me like, please post.
14.
14 indeed. So I'm back home. I've been back home for a little minute now. It's 4:44, 4:42. I got 2 injections. One in my right butt cheek, one in my left butt cheek. They hurt. One hurt more than the other though, and I still feel them when I sit down. I also got medication to take for the next 5 days, so yeah. One of which I have to take 3 times a day, and one I have to take 3 times a day. I can make me drowsy, so fun stuff. But I just thought I'd end the vlog here, cause as much as all me, you know, I show how me look, I'm not comfortable with how me look. It's just that the show goes on, you know. So I will see you guys in my next Donmas upload. And a couple people are confused. I'm not posting every day, guys. I post 2 times a week, but when we get down into the week of Christmas, I'm going to be posting a little bit more. But for right now, it's just 2 times a week, following the same schedule that we did last year, Mondays and Fridays. So I will see you guys on Friday. Hopefully I'll be feeling better. And yeah, have a holly jolly week, y'all.